So we've got two entrances on the pier. Second right hand side entrance. And as you can see, as with most piers, it's got a wooden decking. There is warning signs saying that it is a bit uneven in places. Her bread and shop. And to my left here is the arcade. You can actually walk through the arcade to get to the pier. So there you go. There's the arcade. Little bit of copyright there by Madonna, so I may have to edit that. Let's see how it goes. But if I keep talking over it like I do, I may get away with it. Touch for the very first time. That's all the musical notes we're going to get out of me today. So, the Karak Chai. So yeah, some of the stalls are closed today. It's quiet. The decking is very bouncy and uneven in places, so if you are going to come round onto the pier, be very careful. Let's have a look at the sea. Pretty rough today. That's good, it's quite gusty. So then we come to the gin house. You can get Prosecco, cocktails, etc. Sit in a nice beer garden with your cocktail. So you can get all your sex on the beaches. So yeah. Not bad if you want to get a bit of sun in a nice warm day. And if you're hungry, South Pier food where you can get your burgers, but today it's not open. So this is the pier with the bungee on, or the big swing I should say. So there's a big swing, and it swings straight out to sea. Sky coaster. £25 per person. And you can fly like Superman. It's not for me. But there you go, folks. Free riders remain seated. Fly again for just £10 per person. 1, 2 or 3 together, no tickets, no refunds. Yeah. So you queue up to go out and swing. Yeah, but it's some height. See, it's some height there. Just shut up and fly. And even film you swinging out to sea. Yeah. Now these are all the fun rides, all the fun fair rides, dodgems, cups and saucers, the waltzer, helter skelter. Little roller coaster. Yeah. And that's it, folks. This is towards the end of the pier. By the looks of it. Oh, around this way. Let's have a look around this way. Let's have a look out to sea. Oh God, I like that. That's a bit scary. Wow. Let's go down there, fall through there. That's more good if you've got high heel shoes on. Wow. Never been this way before. So, wind picks up again. Really strong here. As you see. Sea's pretty rough. Nice drop down there, isn't it? Say to it, folks, this is scary. It's swaying. Oh my God. Your legs are like jelly at the moment. People fastening the Forever Love locks on. Rest in peace, Vicky Griffiths. Obviously, things have happened here, maybe. Blackpool Tower in the distance, and there's the beach. Back on the wooden boards. Even though it's a windy day, it's still quite warm. Sky Screamer. We've got a scan me code there. I suppose you want to scan it, by all means do so in the video. Let me know what it does, because I haven't got a clue. Oh, hang on, it does. See, I see. It's like the bungee that goes straight into the air. That's what it does. Again, one let's go on there. 200 feet in 60 seconds. Sorry, 0 to 60 in 2 seconds. £15 per person. Again, it's not for me. Look at mushing him. And there, she's actually having a dump. So we'll walk back down. Dodgems. Love the old Dodgems. Bumper cars. Ankle breaker. Yep. Break dance. So as you can see, some of these rides are all tickets, free tickets. So this bouncy castle, to use it or bounce on it, free tickets for your kids. Put your fire out and test your skill with the hoses. And again, traditional fun fair ride. So the tickets, credits, single ride is £1.25, £60 for 60 credits, 30 for 35, 110 for 100 quid. Not a cheap day out.
Tendulkar Trophy. How proud are you that this new trophy, which commemorates the England
beer garden
series, is named after you?
Well, I think it's amazing. I'm hugely honoured, especially alongside Sachin, someone who's achieved so much in the game. It's great to share something like that.
So coming towards the back to the start again, but this time I'll go out on the right hand side.
Silly mid-off, you silly mid-off. So there.
So look at this bar. Let's have a quick look inside. Oh, there's another arcade here. As you can see, another arcade. It's only a small one, not as big as the first one that you walk in. Then you got your bar area. So there you go. That's your bar. Quite big, isn't it? There's a sandcastle swimming baths.
Jellyfish. Oh, yeah, really big ones as well.
New look back to where we come in from. Sports bar. That's all you like, sports, football, cricket, tennis, whatever you fancy. And again, copyright's kicking in. Needs to probably have to mute this when it comes to the end. Or when it comes to do the editing. Score over 8 to win a large steady.
Oh, you ring the ball, you can never ring some toy.
You've got to try and get one over you with a prize.
Alright folks, and now we're back at the start of the pier. So if you like that little walking tour of Blackpool South Pier, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down twice. And don't forget to subscribe, because we like it when you subscribe. Oh, that's my channel, mate. Oh, that's my channel. Right folks, catch you until the next one.